Are you looking to establish a more clear and strategic direction for your Head Start program? Is effective decision-making and communication a challenge for your current organization? Do you believe that with a more active and engaged governing board, you could achieve your program goals? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you don't want to miss out on our upcoming seminar, Breathing Life into a Nonprofit Board. In this seminar, you will gain an understanding of the importance of having an active board and how to effectively communicate with your board members. We invite all Head Start program directors, policy council members, governing board members, and supporting staff to join us at the Region 4 Annual Pre-Conference Seminar in Atlanta, Georgia. This year's seminar will be conducted by the Gravely Group's Chief Executive Officer, Mel Gravely. To register, go to www.thegravely.com/conference registration. Seating is limited in this seminar, so don't miss out. Stay connected. Follow us on social media. Learn more about the Gravely Group and Mel Gravely at www.thegravely.com.